Friends, the electronic devices that you use every day are becoming a big part of our daily lives. Yes, today it is increasingly present in every home, office, and small shop, not only in cities, but also in villages. Moreover, many do not notice that behind each of these smart device services, there is a practical business that runs quietly and smoothly. In today's fast growing technological environment, the electronics sector stands as one of the most vibrant and successful industries worldwide. Moreover, there are plenty of opportunities for entrepreneurs to enter this sector and start successful ventures, as it is always changing with consumer needs and new technology. So in this video, we will explore 10 comprehensive business ideas in the electronics sector. So stay tuned until the end, because the ideas that we discuss today will help you identify the right direction for your entrepreneurial journey. So watch the video completely, and if you like this video, like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Small-scale PCB manufacturing. PCBs, or printed circuit boards, are the heart of every electronic device, and due to this, the demand for PCB manufacturing is growing rapidly. So you can start a small-scale PCB design, prototyping, printing, testing, and bulk manufacturing services for IoT startups, engineering students, electronics developers, and manufacturing companies. Once you build a customer base in this industry, repeat orders will come, and it is a high-tech and long-term business. Number 2. Mobile phone repair business. Mobile repair and accessories businesses is one of the most accessible and potentially profitable businesses. Today, as every household has 3 to 4 mobile phones, and the demand for their repair is never ending. So, if you learn basic to advanced mobile repair techniques, you can start a good service center with very little investment. Additionally, you can sell highly profitable products like chargers, data cables, power banks, tempered glass, mobile covers, and Bluetooth earphones. The growing demand for mobile phones will ensure that this business continues to thrive and grow in the years to come. Number 3. Robotics kits for education. The demand for robotics and STEM education in schools, colleges, and online platforms is constantly increasing. So you can make Arduino kits, sensor kits, IoT modules, robotic car kits, drone learning kits, and DIY electronic kits, and sell them to schools, training centers, and students. You may also earn significant income when properly executed by selling workshops, training courses, and kits online with a small investment. Moreover, thanks to technology-based education, this business has a bright future. Number 4. Smart home automation business. Smart home automation is a premium and fast-growing business, as people are increasingly trying to make their homes smart, which includes voice-controlled lights, smart switches, motion sensors, smart door locks, security systems, etc. So you can start this business in the smart home automation industry with a little training and then basic equipment. Moreover, this service has potential for regular and stable income by providing this service in high-end homes, apartments, offices, hotels, and new construction projects. Number 5. Electronic refurbishment business. An electronics refurbishing business is a business that buys old or damaged electronic components like televisions, laptops, tablets, etc., repairs or upgrades them, and then resells them. Globally, millions of electronic items are damaged or obsolete every year. So if you have the skills to repair these electronic components, you can fix them and then advertise and sell them through OLX, Amazon Renewed, or local marketplaces. This business is also good for the environment and has long-term sustainability, while it can also bring you significant profits. Number 6. Solar panel installation. Solar panel installation and distribution is a high-demand and government-backed business. So you can start a business by installing solar rooftop systems or residential or commercial buildings, selling products like solar water heaters, solar street lights, or off-grid solar systems. Also, this business involves site surveys, installation, wiring, maintenance, and battery system. So it is better to start this business with proper training or with well-trained people. Number 7. Custom computer assembly. For those who understand computer hardware and networking, custom computer building and networking services is a great business. Yes, you can build gaming PCs, modify PCs, or build office systems and workstations, as well as provide LAN setup, Wi-Fi installation, server setup, and AMC services. Also, since it is a skill-based business and attracts repeat customers, you have the potential to earn well all months of the year. Number 8. Drone sales and rental business. Today, the drone market is growing rapidly as drones are in high demand in industries like photography, weddings, event shooting, agriculture, surveying, and industrial monitoring. So you can sell or rent drones or start a drone repair and maintenance service, which can be very profitable. In particular, this service has the potential for steady income by providing agricultural spray drone services in rural areas. Moreover, this market is still new, so the competition is low and the scope is huge. Number 9. Electronics store. An electronics store is a stable and practical electronics business as the demand for items ranging from mobile phones to earphones, power banks, LED bulbs, lights, speakers, TVs, smart gadgets, kitchen appliances and computer accessories remains constant throughout the year. Therefore, you can run this business from a small shop, a medium-sized showroom, or a hybrid model that combines offline and online. Also, you can make your store more attractive by adding services like repair services, EMI options, exchange offers, and home delivery. Number 10. CCTV camera installation. The CCTV camera installation business is growing rapidly these days as everyone wants to improve the security of their homes, shops, offices, and factories. All you need to do is learn basic networking, wiring, DVR, NVR setup, and camera mounting. Then you can easily start this business. In this business, you can offer service packages like installation, repair, maintenance, remote view setup, and AMC, and this business can generate consistent monthly revenue, especially as security awareness increases in cities. The demand for this business will increase. Friends, these are the top 10 business ideas in the electronics sector. And to start these businesses, you need sufficient electronics literacy. So if you understand the technology, identify the market needs, and work with a little discipline, this sector may help you build a sustainable income. Also, which of these ideas would you like to explore? Let us know in the comments. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.